This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of the Paloma Group for HvacRepairGuy Corporation, which is a wholesale distributor of HVAC equipment. They are only available through their dealer network in the USA. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use direct spark ignition, which is louder and less reliable than brands that use hot surface ignition. The units have a blocked drain sensor so that, if the condensate drain becomes clogged, the furnace is shut down to prevent water damage to the furnace and surrounding area. The ML921T models offer basic single-stage furnaces with a 92% AFUE efficiency and a constant torque blower motor, but their warranty is not very good. The ML951T models are a better option in the basic category as they have a 95% combustion efficiency, but the guarantee on the heat exchanger is not very good when compared to other brands. The ML962V models are premium two-stage furnaces with variable speed blower motors which are quieter and more efficient, and the units have the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The ML98MV models are their entry in the ultimate category with a 98% AFUE efficiency and modulating control for longer heating cycles, which provides more even temperatures throughout the home. The S98MV models are backed by a lifetime heat exchanger guarantee with furnace replacement in the event of heat exchanger failure. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.